Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new viewer, definitely go to our channel, watch all these videos, and if you're liking these videos, you can definitely go and hit the subscribe button so that you can be part of this big family. For the ones who want additional services or training, you can WhatsApp us to 7892652481. For the ones who wants to be a part of my secret Telegram channel, you can click the link in the video description and open your account in Zerodha or Upstock to be part of my secret Telegram channel. So without wasting time, let's see what do we have. So I just took a quick trade in Century Textiles. The market is neutral if you see 0.04%, and it is trading within the range. So if you see at the market, it is in the same range, up and down and up and down. Okay, and it is only 0.01%. So the market is not moving much, so the advantage on stock is comparatively less. Meanwhile, we are concentrating on this particular stock as of now. So we have taken around 509.65. The high of this stock is around 511.25. So 1 rupee 50 paisa is only our 0.3%. So what is my buy price? 509.65. So 10.65. Exactly at the breakout of high only is our 0.3% target. Just got up now and the market was like this. No much confidence from the market. Yes, there are a lot of factors affecting the market. Fine, 10. Finally, it broke the value. All right. Alright, so it got exited at 509.511.53, so more than our 0.3%, 2 rupees target on this. The number of shares which we had was around 1000 shares. So if you see, there was the quantities, if you see left and right side, number of quantities are very less. So 1000 shares, if I hit exit, it will obviously go down and sell. So that's the reason if you see it was around 512 somewhere, but it sold around 511 point this one. But anyways, 0.3% is around how much? 511.15 or 15, right? So it has sold around 511.53. So anyways, the stock is going up, and Nifty is still in neutral zone, so we took an advantage. So I don't have much hopes, but yeah, still the stock is going up. It's up to the stock. Anyways, I will continue my sleep because last night I couldn't sleep much. I slept late, so I'll continue my sleep, and later on need to continue with other tasks for the day. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. This was a quick video. Anyways, like the video, share this video, because all we need is just money. So we got the money and we just exited. So see you soon in my next video. Then take care. Bye bye.